Hey everybody, welcome to the Holy Yogi, where we help you find the guru inside of you. Hey there everybody, hello everybody. Today I'm keeping it real. Today is the last day that I am on. This is the third day of my hard, dry fast for spiritual growth. And the hard, doing the spiritual growth for the hard, dry fast is very easy. And let me tell you, it has exceeded my greatest expectations. I gotta tell you about, my, third day on the hard, dry fast results and review. And one of the key things I want to tell you, within 36 hours, ladies and gentlemen, you spiritual folks out there will understand this. I got first 2, 2, 2. Then I got 3, 3, 3. And then this morning, I woke up to 4, 4, 4. Okay? Do you feel me? Do you hear what I'm saying? That means an instantaneous, like I told you, when you do these type of fast, it helps miraculously, miraculously speed up and expedite the miracles that are coming into your life. I'm just like getting confirmation from the universe. The numbers are in alignment with me. That, my spiritual growth, my spiritual evolution, number one, this fast is automatically ordained to be successful. I will complete it successfully. I only got around about 10 hours to go. Yippee! I can't wait. I think I'm going to have, when I finish this fast, let's see. My first thought was to have green juice. And then I'm going to have some rambutan fruit. It's from China. Oh God, so delicious. Build your immune system. Anyway, I'm really excited, and I'm going to finish this phenomenal book, Where Do We Go From Here? Chaos or Community, by the late, great American civil rights hero, Dr. Martin Luther King. I'm in the vibe. Okay, like I said, the whole objective of us doing this is to what? Bring love, peace, happiness, and joy. And sometimes it's going to come through you. Hey, listen, the government shutdown is almost over. I feel it. I'm putting that positive energy out there to each and every single one of you. And go ahead, Cardi B. I love the way you interpret it in your own spiritual way. Go on, goddess, do you. So with that said, everybody, I want everybody to have a fantastic day. I want everybody, another thing is I'm on a really good natural high. Feel a little bit groggy, like mentally, like peace, man. So, like the Queer's Age type of feeling. You don't need a joint when you're on a natural high. It just really kicks in for you. So, just wanted to share that with you from my comfort of my own bed. I'm going to chill and enjoy the last couple of hours in peace, longevity, and sleep. So, everybody have a fantastic day today. And I will see you on the other side. Nirvana, baby. Here we come. Namaste, peace, hete pu. Bye for now.